Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can extend your C drive very easily by following these simple steps. So this is my C drive, I am extending this. You need to type in search bar device management, click open. You cannot extend C drive directly if there is some memory in between C drive and unallocated space. Like in my case, 522 MB is in between the C drive and unallocated space. First of all, type mini tool, a partition wizard on your browser search bar and click this first option to download this mini partition tool. You simply need to click this green download button. You can see my download has been started and it is finished. Once downloaded, click this open file and set up this application. Click this continue installing free edition. Click next. Click this next again. The downloading has been started. The first software which is downloading is Mini Tool Partition Wizard. The second one is Mini Tool Shadow Maker. We don't need this Shadow Maker. It installs on its own. So we will ignore this Shadow Maker software. Our focus is only on the first one, which is about 19 MB. The partition tool has been installed successfully. So we will search for this tool and open it. Look at the interface. All of your hard drives are shown here. Simply select your C drive from this list. Right click C drive and click the option of extend. Here you can select the option the free space taken from. I will choose unallocated. You can adjust this box from left to right. Here you can choose how much free space do you want to take. You can see the new size of C drive will be after changing and the new size of unallocated will be after changing at the last of this dialog box. Once you adjust, click OK and here an arrow will appear. Click apply. Click yes and this will done. Click OK. Now your hard disk is increased successfully. Quit this program and you can check it. Here you can see my hard disk has been increased from 50 GB to 120 GB. And also one last thing is you should remove this tool from your PC as this tool is burden for you. For this, search for control panel on your search bar and open it. Click uninstall a program and then search for these two software, Shadow Maker and Mini Partition Tool. Uninstall them step by step. For this, right click it and uninstall it completely. And simply uninstall this Mini Tool Partition. These software can cause some burden on your PC. So that is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.